Sa previous video natin, nag-discuss tayo kung paano ito i-convert to this. 'Di ba? Ayun yung ginawa natin. So ngayon marunong na kayo kung paano mag-create ng recurring events, recurring meetings, ganyan, recurring calendar blockers. So makikita nyo na yan dito sa previous video. So for now, we're going to now discuss about color coding. I mean, depende yan sa client mo kung prefer nila mag-color code. Pero majority ng clients ko, lahat, not majority, lahat ng naging clients ko, na convince ko sila na mag-color coding kami. Kasi kung ako yung titi ng calendar, tapos pare-pares yung kulay, tapos ang liliit pa ng mga title, so paano ko malalaman kung gaano ka-importante to? Or ano ba yung pwede kong i-move agad-agad? Ng isang tinginan, ito pwede tong i-move kapag may conflict. Basically that, ganyan. So, ang gagawin natin is first, we're going to know the client's preferences when it comes to color coding. Ano ba yung color coding? So, makikita natin na kapag nag-right click tayo, so you have options. It's either you go here and then hanapin nyo tong color na to, or pwede naman ay right click nyo na lang. I suggest of course, i-right click nyo na lang. Kasi sino ba namang gusto mong mahirapan pa, di ba? Hindi mo na ako galit, pero yon. So, in-explain ko lang. So, as executive assistant, so you can propose some color codings, ganyan, or you can ask your client ano ba yung color coding na gusto niya, or pwedeng mag-propose ka na lang para ma-convince mo din siya na it's going to work, ganyan. So ito yung calendar ni Jamie again, so we no longer need this. No, of course hindi, kailangan natin to, of course, because sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, very important yung type of event. It matters now, or they matter, it matters now. So makikita nyo na meron tayong focus time blocker, may one-on-one, personal family, one-on-ones, important meetings, team meetings, meron tayong executive meetings, may personal family, okay? So ang gagawin natin is, we have to know the client's preference. Let's say nag-agree na kayo. Nag-agree na kayo sa preferences niya, na-discuss nyo na, and then ito yung napag-usapan nyo. So, preferences, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa client's preferences sheet nyo or kung document nyo, ganyan. So, ito yung preference daw ni client. Color coding. So, meron tayong color name dito. So, yung tomato, guys, flamingo, tangerine, nag-work lang siya sa sa free version. Pero kung naman kayo, meron naman kayong version na enterprise, pwede nyo actually siyang palitan yung pangalanan ng ito, pwedeng i-copy nyo to and then palitan nyo yung pangalan nito para hindi na kayo nalilito if ever na hindi nyo pa sa ulo. Pero going forward, kapag matagal na kayo, sa ulo nyo na naman yung mga event types niyan, okay? Pero for now, again, since poor muna tayo, so ito muna yung i-consider natin. Tomato, flamingo, tangerine, banana, sage, ganyan. So, first is we have tomato, which is important meetings daw, one-off meetings. May flamingo for travel, tangerine for team meetings, banana for one-on-ones, basil for personal or family, graphite for focus time or blocker, and then grape naman for executive meetings. So, alam nyo guys, mag-matter yan mamaya. I think wala ata dito. Let's see kung merong insights. No, walang insights kasi meron ka makikita ditong insights kapag meron kang account na enterprise. Unfortunately, walang insights yan. Makikita mo kasi kung ano yung mas nagiging focus mo. Pero since wala, let's not use that for now. So, ang importante lang, ma-convert natin siya into color code. So, first is we have deep work yan. So, sige, simulan natin dito. Exercise. Ang sabi, ang exercise daw dito ay, nasabi ni client na personal daw siya. So, ano ba yung personal ulit natin? Personal is basil. There you go. So, basil daw siya. Right-click nyo lang, hanapin nyo yung basil, and then this and following events, boom. Okay? So, next natin is family time. So, family time is personal din. Yan, family is personal time din. So, green din siya. Perfect. Diba? Nakikita nyo na yung difference, guys. So, ito din, green din to. And then, kids to school, family din to, according to this. So, kids to school, family din siya. Personal family. Perfect. There you have it. And then, next naman is meron tayong one-on-one with Sab. Sabi dito, it's one-on-one. So, basically, it's yellow, so banana, hindi natin papalitan yan. And then meron tayong deep work. Ang deep work, ano ba yung deep work daw? Deep work is a focus time or blocker. Ano yung sabi sa focus time and blocker dito? It's graphite. So, convert natin siya into graphite. Perfect. So, yan, graphite. Yan. Makikita nyo, yan. And then also ito, of course, di naman sila recurrent. Yung Monday, di ba? Hiwalay siya. Perfect. Makikita nyo, nag-change na dapat yan. So, dapat nag-change yan. And then next natin is, meron tayo ditong lunch. Ano ba yung lunch? Sabi dito, ang lunch daw is personal or family. Ganyan. So, personal natin siya. Lunch is basil. Perfect. Yan, di ba? Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ganyan na tignan. And then next naman natin is meron tayong Monday brainstorm session. Anong sabi sa Monday brainstorm session? It's important meetings daw. Okay, important meetings. Ano yung important meetings? It's tomato. Tomato daw. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Perfect. Next is, itong lahat ng to ay personal. So, ipa-personal lang natin yan. Makikita nyo kasi yung yung difference ng personal, kung ano yung mas nabibigay nyo ng time, ganyan, di ba? As a disciplined person, dapat balance yan. Kasi EA ka, ikaw yung magbabalance nan. And the next naman natin is meron tayong weekly one-on-one, since yung mga one-on-ones ay ano sila, banana. So, stay put lang mga yan. And then meron tayong executive team meetings. Ang executive team meetings daw ay executive meetings. So, ang executive meetings ay grape. Okay, so grape siya. I-grape na natin siya. There you go. And then company all hands. Ang company all hands daw ay team meeting. So it's tangerine. So company all hands, team meetings, perfect. So company all hands should be tangerine. Perfect. So makikita nyo, ganyan na yung calendar, pero meron pa tayong out of office. Yung out of office daw natin, ang color daw ng out of office should be personal or family. So we're going to block it. But I'd say na it's a blocker instead of personal or family, it's a blocker lang. So, let's just use graphite. Perfect. Makikita nyo, di ba? May difference naman. Kita nyo, may difference naman yung kanina compared sa ngayon na, mas nakita nyo ano yung mga importante, ano yung mga one-on-one sessions, ganyan. And then, magiging consistent yan dito. And abangan nyo, of course, yung mas marami pang one-offs. Makikita nyo pa, gugulo pa yung calendar na yan, guys. So, abangan nyo sa next videos. I hope this video helped you.